Sheila is a Carnatic classical vocalist, teacher, organizer, executive director of Hamsadvani Creations. MS Sheila is a popular Carnatic classical vocalist and a prime disciple of legendary Padma Bhushan awardee Sangeeta Kalanidhi, Dr. R.K. Srikantan of Sri Tyagaraja Parampara. Srimati Sheila is a top rank artist of AIR and Doordarshan. She is also a top rank artist in light music, so it is indeed a very rare combination to see that an artist holds proficiency and two top ranks from AIR. What a wonderful achievement we have about the madam here. She has given innumerable performances in USA, Canada, Gulf countries, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and was also sponsored by Karnataka State Government for a US concert tour, and she was also performing for CMANA New Jersey, Bhairavi Fine Arts of Cleveland, USA, and many more. She has performed several times at Nada Tarangini Fine Arts of Washington, USA, Carnatic Music Circle of Australia, Sydney Music Festival, and many more. She has also extremely performed in Middle East as well as in London. Her teaching assignments have taken her to not just UK, but to Singapore as a jury member. She has also composed several compositions for SVBC and has been a jury member. Several awards have walked up to her. Nijaguna Purandara Prashasti, Sangeeta Kala Acharya from Music Academy, Sangeeta Kala Ratna title, Outstanding Senior Female Vocalist, Madras Music Academy, Best Female Playback Singer for the film Vimochane, and Karnataka Rajyotsav Award, and the most prestigious Central Sangeeta Natak Academy Award have come and walked her way. What an honor to have such an erudite artist amongst us today. Neevu Elru Maklu, because you're all students, people have been in their explanation telling about a word called Vagyakara anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದೋಗೆ ವಾಗ್ಯಕಾರ ಅಂತ ವಾಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಗೇಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತು ಧಾತು, somebody who writes it and tunes it also. So today if you see that in the films you'll see lyrics and music composer anta ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If somebody is doing both together, from the times immemorial you have seen that Karnataka has contributed immensely, many of those, they are called as Vagyaka. So next time, by the time of 3 days, you all are going to be a very well-informed Carnatic music connoisseurs. So you all will next time understand, oh, they're going to sing this raga. There is something called Melakarta. There is something called Vagyakara. So that becomes a very important part. Today, to Madam, on accompany, we have on violin, Vidwan Keshav. On Mridanga, Vidwan Tumkur B. Ravishankar. On Kanjira, Vidwan Vyasa Vithala. And on Ghatam, Vidwan Sharad Kaushik. Let us give them a roaring applause before she amazingly begins her recital. Madam will also be accompanied on vocal by Miss Apeksha Appala.
Rama Ramana Narayana Rama Ramana Narayana Rama Ramana Narayana Rama Ramana Narayana Rama Ramana Rita